Hey, what's going on, everyone? We have this 2021 Hideout 28RKS to show you today. It comes in weighing a little under 7,000 pounds and it has an overall length of 32 feet 11 inches. So starting with the back, you have your spare tire, freshwater connection, outside shower so you can rinse off your sandy legs, maybe even giving your dog a bath. You are pre-wired for a backup camera. And then on our camping side, you have a really long power awning to relax underneath, Bluetooth capable outside speakers, access to your water heaters right here. And this also has front and rear power stabilizing jacks, an outside kitchen, so you have all of this space for your utensils or plates and whatnots, a drawer that pulls out with a couple burners on it, mini fridge for snacks or juice boxes so your kids don't have to run into the camper to grab a snack. And I also love that it is protected underneath that powered awning. You also have power protected underneath the awning, so you can have anything plugged in that you want. Maybe you have a table out here, put a TV on it if you want to. Solid steps at your entrance with a oversized grab handle. And then just next to that is a leash holder / bottle opener. And they even included a cute little paw print design on there for your pet or a dog bone. Moving along to the front, you have some pass-through storage. You are prepped for Furrion side marker cameras, so you just have to purchase the actual camera part, pop it in there, and then you can see the sides of your camper while you're taking it down the road or even just lining it up in your camping spots. Power tongue jack, couple propane tanks just behind there. Diamond plating at the bottom of your front cap to help protect it. And this does have the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty. So now let's take a look at the inside. All right, so coming all the way into the master bedroom first, as you can see, this is a queen size bed. You can lift it up for that extra storage underneath if you want. End tables on both sides for your decorations and personal belongings, but the one here on the right is pretty unique because it also doubles as a pass-through or as a laundry chute going down into your pass-through storage. So you can throw all of your dirty clothes down there and not even have to worry about it until you get back from your camping trip. Above each is a closet locker with really pretty mirror panels on them, so you can use that to get ready in the morning. Clothes rack there on the inside. And then there's also a connecting open shelf in between it for some more decorations. Power outlets on both sides, but if you needed more closet space, tucked away in this corner is another closet with a clothes rack, 2 jumbo-sized drawers down below. And then at the foot of your bed is a spot for a TV if you want one. And coming out here into our bathroom, you got your sink, some storage below it, plus a medicine cabinet. And then you have a vent fan there above your shower. I've seen people open it up just to let some natural light in, but just make sure you check the forecast and it's not raining so it doesn't come into your camper, but you can use that too for some additional light. Of course, you have your stand-up shower, really pretty 3-paneled sliding glass door. It's almost like a seafoam green color. It's very beachy looking. And then your porcelain foot flush toilet. It's at a nice angle for lots of leg space too. And then on this little wall next to your bathroom entrance, you can control your AC from there. And then your convenience center for the slide out, the awning, interior lights, and be able to see how full all of your tanks are. And then finally coming into the entertaining space of the camper. So this is where all the action happens. On the opposite wall of your bathroom, you have your electric fireplace down below. It is all electric, and it actually can heat up your camper quite a bit. So if you are into fall season camping or maybe early spring, you can turn that on and it feels great. During those summer nights, you can just have it kind of create a homey feeling too, watching a movie, just have the fireplace going without the heat, kind of use it as a nightlight too for your kids. Storage compartments on either side and open storage there up above. And then your Bluetooth speaker system is right there to hook up your phone for those outside and inside speakers. Swivel TV, and it's rather large TV too. And then at an angle is your sleeper sofa. So these arms are removable, so you can take that out when you are ready to put it in that sleeping position for your kids or guests. And then across from there is recliners, and I love that they are not attached, because if you wanted to put this right in the middle of the TV, you can, if you want to, change the angles of them a little bit. And you also have a power outlet there in the middle, as well as a end table for just some additional decorations. Big windows all across behind there, and even in this slide out. And then also above your recliners, you have 3 cabinets for some extra storage. And then just behind me, next to your sleeper sofa, is a booth dinette that also folds out into a sleeping space. You have this table that is not connected, so if you wanted to take that outside, kind of have like a family dinner outside, or you know, have card games by the fire, you can do that. And then you also have a storage compartment underneath this left booth right here. And then the showstopper, at least I think, of the kitchen is this gorgeous, showstopper of the camper is this gorgeous rear kitchen. Next to your fridge is some pantry space. It goes back pretty far. And then you have your stainless steel refrigerator. Just next to that is the microwave, range hood, really pretty backsplash back there. Let's see if I can turn that line on. There we go. And then just below is your 3-burner stove top with a glass cover. And there's your oven. More storage is down below, and look at all of this countertop space that you have for food prep. You can have like a buffet style right here, have your kids come get their food. There's just a lot of space for all of your kitchen appliances, your smaller ones, and just setting up food and everything. Power outlets are on both sides, so if you wanted to have your air fryer and your coffee maker there, you can. The sale price comes out to be $30,985 for everything. And then you also have cabinets there up above. And one thing I love that Hideout does is they have accent lights inside your cabinets, which I think looks really, really pretty. And then also we have our stainless steel sink with a spray faucet. And then I think it's back there. All Hideouts have a built-in road vac system. So it comes with about a 30-foot nozzle, and you're able to hook it up, or a 30-foot hose, and be able to vacuum up every square inch of your camper, or even your tow vehicle if you want to pull it up right next to your main entrance. But there you have it. This is one of the last 2021 Hideout 28RKSs that we have. If you have any questions or concerns about it, feel free to let us know.